Welcome viewer, this video tutorial describes how to fix Bootmgr's missing error and solutions Windows 7. Boot with bootable CD or USB. Press Shift and F10 keys. Type ctrl+alt+del, type bootmgr /fixboot. Type ctrl+alt+, type bootmgr /fixmgr. Type cd boot. Type -h -r -s bcd. Type ren bcd bcd.old. Type bootmgr /rebuild bcd. I hope this tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.